cooking the pork, I put butter and then that huge white onion. Speaking of onions, I remember Kelly in her channel, she had this haul and she showed like huge red onions. They're probably 3 times, I don't know, 4 times as big as this huge white onions, I don't know. But I put the whole thing, even though I only have a little bit of pork, because I can never have enough white onions, or onions for that matter, no matter what kind. So I'm just trying to like let it become translucent, and then that's when I add the garlic, because with these onions you can even caramelize them, but I don't have time to do that now, and this is good enough. As long as I have these much onions, I'd be fine with it. I just put in the pork. Look at how little the pork is compared to the onions. This is the way we want it. I'm just like trying to get like a browning or caramelization of the pork. And after that, I'm gonna season it a little bit. I put some ginseng mix already, a little bit, and a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add more. I mean, I'm gonna add salt. I haven't put salt in yet. And then I'm gonna put pork stock and let it boil and let it simmer for like 15 minutes. Then that's when you'll add the bagoong or ginamos, or fermented like shrimp. And then we'll check the taste, and then we'll add whatever we need. I already put the pork stock in and it's boiling, and I'm gonna let this simmer for 15 minutes. I put it on the timer and check it after. We'll see now. 15 minutes have passed. I put this ginamos, bagoong, kisadong bagoong, and then I put this vinegar, gorgeous garlic flavored wine vinegar. This is how much little I have left. But it smells good. We need to develop a way of, you know, transmitting smell through the videos. If that is only possible, then you'd know how good this smells. It delivers not just your audio and the video, but the smell as well. Look, it's like really thick now. I want to reduce this completely. I'll show it to you later. We're almost done, look. It's just like practically frying the meat. This is it, guys. This is it. I'm actually in a hurry because I have to go to the dentist, bring Zion to the dentist. So I'm in a hurry here. Hopefully this is like perfectly seasoned. Look at the onions that have disintegrated. Caramelizing. Because I want it to be like the original recipe for Filipino adobo, where you reduce everything and it's just like some oil left, and then like the onions and the garlic have been left over like a sauce. It's like braising it. I think adobo is a way of braising meat. It's popping all over. I just want it to be. People here in the house are in a hurry. They're in a hurry. They can't wait to eat this. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. There, I turned it off. This is how I want it to be. Not too saucy. And then the battery is low. Okay. We're ready. Let's turn the light off. Back from the dentist. Zion is talking to some of his friends and schoolmates right now, and I am going to have my lunch finally. Lucy and Grace, Tita Grace had their lunch, and this is the Binagoongan baboy. This is very simple.